Hey guys, welcome back. Well, it's been a while since we've done a poll on this channel, and I thought for this one, how about if we run a little poll on the best of what you think are the best Linux apps, and maybe maybe the best Linux apps, maybe for beginners or newbies to the world of Linux. Now, you guys know which ones I like. I usually use Kdenlive and OBS, simple screen recorder, browsers. I'm not sure if I have a favorite browser. I tend to distro watch. But if you guys have any favorites, why don't we do this? Just go ahead and post them in the comments below. You can pick anything that you like, and I'll just grab maybe like a little notebook and try to keep tally of all the votes on different applications. So for this one, go ahead and vote for the best Linux applications that you use on a regular basis. That's all I have for this one. Check out all the links below in the show notes if you would like to support Total OS Today, total technology for beginners and beyond. Take care. I'll catch you on the next one.